Hello 2T1. Now for today's lesson, we'll be doing worksheet 12.3, Understanding Natural Disasters. Now Singapore is a place that's well protected from natural disasters. So in order for students to understand these disasters better, you have to create a brochure on some of them. So you will need to create a brochure using landscape, A4 size, and I want you to create 3 columns. Insert the title Natural Disasters and add a border to it. And we need to import the available file so that the text is aligned like what is shown here. We will next need to insert graphic. They are created in Worksheet 12.1 and a graphic help icon at the appropriate positions. Your brochure should look similar to the one below, right? Okay, so this is the first page and that's the second page, right? So we'll proceed to create the graphic first. So let's backtrack a bit and move to Worksheet 12.1. So we need to create something like this. Let's proceed to create a house first. So go to Inkscape. So we'll first need to draw a house like what is shown over here. Right, so click on the rectangle tool. Okay, I want it to be squarish corners. Next, alright, create a roof. Okay, after which path, object of path. Edit path by nodes. I'm going to delete one on the node. Highlight all the nodes and straighten it. I'm going to adjust this to move it to the center. Right? Next. Okay, I'm going to create the doors and a house and a window. So this is a window and this will be the door. Okay. Of course, do not forget to fill the object with color. Right. So let's choose a different yellow here. Right, the house gonna fill with color as well. The door. Right. Okay, after which I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to increase the outline of it. So let's turn on the properties over here. Right, select the properties and in terms of the outline, I'm going to choose such that it is thicker. Okay, I'm going to choose 3.0, after which I'm going to group it. Okay, next. Okay, you have to create a tree. So the tree looks something like this. So here you can use many ellipses to union it. Here I can use a rectangle and I can use object to power edit power my nodes to adjust it. Alright, so create a rectangle. Okay, after which I'm going to choose a lighter shade of the color. After which I'm going to go to path, object of path, edit power and nodes. I'm going to move it to the right. After which I'm going to make this such that it is curve. Right, over here I'm going to move it up. Right, likewise the other side, adjust it. And of course the bottom I can adjust it such that it is broader. This one I can make it broader. Okay, after that I can use many ellipses and I'm going to fill this such as green in color. So the green is not a bright green, it's a darker shade of green. Right, so I'm going to copy and paste many of this. Right, let's take a look again. Okay, something like this. So copy and paste. This can be slightly bigger. Right over here. Some of this can be bigger. Right, something like this. After which I just need to select this path and then union it. Okay. We do this again. There's something there. It's a spec. Okay. Path. Okay, union it. Right, and I can resize this. Okay, so once you have created one tree, I can group it. And I can copy and paste and resize. Okay, so you should have two trees, right, to get the picture at the bottom. After which you need to create a shore, and then right next we'll proceed to create a shore. So click on the rectangle tool, right, after which I'll fill this with a lighter shade of brown. Okay, you can choose a different color, alright, slightly brownish. Okay, so let's choose this color over here, slightly brownish. Okay, after which, again, what you're going to do is go to path, object to path, edit path and nodes. Right, you want to create something like this, so with one end that's tapered. So I'm going to delete the node at the top. After which, okay, make the line straighten. Okay, and for these two nodes, okay, I'm going to change it to curve, and then I'm going to adjust this over here such that it looks like this. Okay, so that's how you get the shape. Okay, this part is actually more pointed, so what I can do is you can adjust it. Okay, here I can adjust such that it is more pointed. Okay, so next we'll proceed to create a wave, and as you can see, the wave is created using the Bezier tool. At the base is a straight line, and you can see that there are various waves over here. So go to your Inkscape, click on the Bezier tool, alright, create a straight line from the right to left, after which proceed to click using the Bezier tool. Alright, if you want curve, you will click and hold. Right, so this part I want to have the wave. Here I want to be curved. Alright, here I want to be straight line again. Click over here, and this part I want to be curved again. Click here, here. Alright, if I want to be curved again, I'll click like this. Click here. Okay, click here, curve again. If you want to curve, you will have to click and hold. Click this part, curve. Okay, here I want to turn. Click here, this part, turn. Click here. Alright, and I can just click here, turn it, and then just join it back. Okay, so the wave will look something like this. Alright, I'm going to bring it down. So if you want to make adjustments, again, go to path. Alright, object to path, edit path and nodes. So this is where you can make the adjustments. Okay, so for example here, I can make some adjustments, right, by moving the nodes. Okay, as you can see. Now this part, if you find that it's too straight, select the two nodes. Alright, make it curve, and then, alright, make again the adjustments. Okay, so over here, right, again, if you find that is not to the correct shape. All right, make the adjustments. Okay, so here again you can make the adjustments, right? So over here I can also make adjustments. So other than that, if you are happy with it, okay, fill the wave with color. So we're gonna fill it with such as is bluish color. I'm gonna use this right, roughly about this bluish. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, bluish over here. So once I've done that, all right, you will proceed to form the picture into something like this. All right, and before that, I'm going to increase the thickness of the stroke. So go to stroke style, all right, point. I'm going to select 3.0. Right, so it looks something like this. After which I will resize this. Okay, the width is here. All right, the shore is in front. So pitch up to bring the shore to the front. Okay, so you can resize the picture a bit. After which proceed to position the trees and the house. All right, resize the house. Position the tree. Okay, again resize it. This is a smaller tree that's behind the bigger tree. Right, and this is my bigger tree, and I'll click on pitch up to move it to the front. Okay, so you look something like this. Right, okay, you may want to make some adjustments. The house on the inside. Okay, so once you have done that, okay, again make the adjustments, making sure the proportion is correct. Right, I can group this. Okay, and proceed to save this work and export it. All right, file, save as, file. Okay, I'm going to proceed to save it as 12.3. So go to your thumb drive under work to submit. Okay, you can save this as a worksheet 12.1 graphic, 12.1 underscore your name. Alright, save this, and after which I'll need to export this. So select this, go to File, Export Bitmap, Browse. Okay, again under work to submit, I'm going to export it as worksheet 12.1. Okay, underscore. Okay, your name. Save and click on export to export a bitmap. Right, so we have done this and we have exported the picture. So the next thing we need to do is, alright, we already saved the work, so we can click on close without saving. So the next thing we need to do is go to your Microsoft Word. That's where you need to create the brochure, alright, which will look something like this. Right, so we want to have 3 columns and A4 size by orientation to be landscape. Right, so what I need to do now, go to page layout, under orientation select landscape, under columns, okay, we want to select 3 columns. Okay, so column, select 3 columns. Now you notice that you cannot see the columns that they are done by it. So what you can do is go to File, under Options, okay, Advanced. You can turn on what you call by text boundaries. That's where you can see the columns appearing. Okay, File, Options, okay, Advanced. Okay, check on the text boundaries. click OK. Alright, so now we can proceed to import the documents. So where are all these documents? Alright, they are in your PS folder. Problem set 12, you can see that there are various documents over here. So the first document that we need to insert is natural disasters. Right, we need to insert the document natural disasters. So go to your Microsoft Word document, right, click on insert. The correct way to do is insert the text from file under object. Okay, go to your folder with a PS12. So I'm going to import natural disasters first. Right, should be the introduction. Okay, after which, second one, earthquakes. So go back to your document, again insert, alright, under object, text from file, insert earthquakes, right, so it's inserted until here. Next, volcanic eruptions followed by tsunami. Okay, over here, text from file, volcanic eruptions, alright, followed by tsunami, and after which you insert a picture that you have done earlier on. So insert, again, object, text from file, insert tsunami, and at the bottom here I'm going to insert my picture, insert picture, the one that you did earlier on. We'll save under the folder work to submit. So work to submit, the file that's exported, alright, import it there. Right, the file should look like this. Okay, after which press enter to go to the next page. So on the second page, okay, you can see that it's a continuation of the document. Alright, you have landslides, forest fire, and conclusion. So we're going to continue, insert, alright, text from file, landslides. Okay, forest fires and conclusion. So again, insert, object, text from file, forest fires, and lastly is conclusion. Right, once you have done it, you need to insert a picture here reaching out to those in need, and then there's natural disasters with a border there. Okay, so over here there's one more picture, insert picture. Okay, under PS12. Okay, we'll look for the picture, which is the hand. Alright, insert this. Okay, once you have done that, press enter, and now we'll need to create the word art. So insert, click on word art. We need to create a word art, natural disasters. So I'm going to choose this. Type in natural disasters. Right. Okay. So once I've done this, I'm going to insert a rectangle box for the border. Right, so under shapes, right, natural disasters, this is okay, you can double click this. Under the shape outline, we want it to have an outline, and we want the outline to be thicker, so I'm going to choose something thicker, 3 points. Alright, and after which we proceed to make adjustments to the formatting of the text. You can see that all these, they are bold and underlined. So go to your Word document, right? We can increase the font size a bit, right? Highlight all the words. Okay, I'm going to select Times New Roman, and I'm going to select 12 points in size. Right, so you notice that the thing has now been adjusted. So what you need to do is readjust it to make sure that it can fit back in the document. Alright, if it's okay, I notice it's too big, so what I can do is, alright, re-highlight all the text and change the font size to back to 11 by retaining Times New Roman. Okay, so having done that, I can again make adjustments, alright, such that it fit in to two pages. Okay, so natural disasters, highlight this word, bold and underline it. Next, earthquakes, okay, bold, underline it. Right, tsunami, same thing, bold and underline it. Okay, make adjustments, volcanic eruptions, right, bold and underline it. Right, there's some spacing here, so likewise we'll follow the same. After earthquakes, okay, allow some spacing to be there. Tsunami, alright, landslides, okay, again bold and underline it. Okay, making it to be as close as possible to what you have in the document that you saw over there. Right, so if there's enough space, landslides can actually start on the next page. Press enter key for it to start on the next page. Right, forest fires, okay, can bold and underline it. And the last one is the conclusion, and of course this weather text box to bring to the top. Conclusion, bold and underline this. Alright, so this is a brochure that you have created on natural disasters. So once done, okay, proceed to save your work as worksheet 12.3 underscore your name. Right, so go to your Word document, file, save as. Okay, under the folder, work to submit. Right, save it as worksheet 12.3 underscore, okay, your name. Right, thank you for watching my video.